Imagine this. A mother works tirelessly throughout her life, acquiring property to secure her children's future. But after her passing, questions arise. Who has the legal right to her property? Can her son claim it all? Or does her daughter have an equal share? This is a scenario that many families face. And understanding the legal right involved is crucial. In today's video, we'll dive into the complex yet important topic of a mother's property rights after her death. We'll break down the laws governing inheritance in India, discuss key case laws, and offer guidance on what to do if your rights are violated. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how the law protects your rights to inherit your mother's property. Here's what we'll cover. First, types of property. Understanding ancestral versus self-acquired property and the impact on inheritance. 2. Legal framework. The Hindu Succession Act 1956 and the 2005 amendments rule in the inheritance rights. 3. Rights of sons and daughters. Legal entitlement to a mother's property. 4. Steps to take if your rights are violated. How to legally address any violations of your inheritance rights. 5. Recent updates. Any significant changes in the law that you should be aware of. First, let's talk about the types of property. Ancestral and self-acquired. Ancestral property is passed on through generations without any specific will. Self-acquired property, on the other hand, is what the mother has purchased or acquired during her lifetime. This distinction is crucial because it affects who can claim the property and how it's divided among heirs. The Hindu Succession Act 1956 is the primary law that governs inheritance among Hindus in India. Before 2005, daughters had limited rights to their parents' property, but after the 2005 amendment, daughters were granted equal rights as sons, regardless of whether they were married or not. This was a landmark change that significantly impacted how property is inherited. Let's talk about the rights of sons and daughters. Sons have the right to an equal share in both ancestral and self-acquired property of the mother as per the Hindu Succession Act. Whereas, since 2005 amendment, daughters have the same right as sons, whether the mother's property is ancestral or self-acquired. The daughter is entitled to an equal share. There's a case law as an example in Vinita Sharma versus Rakesh Sharma. The Supreme Court affirmed that daughters have equal co-partnership rights, further solidifying the claim to their mother's property. If you believe your right is to inherit your mother's property has been violated, here are the steps you should take. First, consult a lawyer. Seek legal advice immediately. A lawyer can guide you on the best course of action and help you understand your rights under Hindu Succession Act. 2. File a partition suit. If the property has been divided fairly, you can file a suit for partition in the court. The court can intervene and ensure that the property is divided according to legal entitlements. 3. Challenge a will. If there is a will that you believe is unfair or has been created under suspicious circumstances, you can challenge its validity in court. Courts often scrutinize wills to ensure they reflect the true wishes of the deceased. 4. Alternative dispute resolution. If a court's cases seem daunting, you can opt for mediation or arbitration to settle disputes amicably and quickly. Recently, there's been a push towards uniform inheritance laws across different communities in India. While no major amendments has been made to the Hindu Succession Act since the 2020 Supreme Court ruling in Vinita Sharma versus Rakesh Sharma, the discussion around a uniform civil code continue. This could eventually lead to a more standardized inheritance laws that apply equally to everyone, regardless of their religion. Let's recap the key takeaways. First, understand types of property. The difference between ancestral and self-acquired property is crucial. 2. Know the law. the Hindu Succession Act of 1956 and the 2005 amendment ensure equal rights for sons and daughters. 3. If your rights are violated, take legal action by consulting a lawyer, filing a suit, or considering alternative dispute resolution methods. 4. Stay updated. Keep an eye on potential changes to inheritance law, especially with ongoing discussions about Uniform Civil Code. Understanding your rights can prevent disputes and ensure that your mother's legacy is honored. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful legal content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an update. See you in the next video. Take care and bye.